guys and lovely students. It's inside the human tutorial, and today we are going to cover an important topic and also as well as hard topic, which is always being a headache for students. And this is the cranial nerve topic. Is cranial nerve. So we are going to study the cranial nerves. So as we know, we have there are two types of nerves on the basis, sorry for my handwriting, it's not that good, on the basis of um, their attachments. Okay, so there are two type of nerves on the basis of their attachments. So these are, first is the cranial nerves, and second type is the spinal nerve. Okay, so cranial nerve is attached to the brain and brain stem. Okay, and spinal nerves are called spinal nerves because these are attached to the, as the name is indicating, these are attached to spinal cord. Okay, so the cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Of course, we all know these are 12 pairs, and spinal nerves are 31 pairs. Fine. Okay, so next there are two more type of nerves, but on the basis of their functions. Okay, so on the basis of their functions, so these are first is the sensory nerve, and second is motor nerves, and one more type is there, which is mixed. Mixed in the sense it has sensory and motor, both the contents. Fine. So mixed nerve has sensory as well as motor, both the contents. Sensory means these nerves carries the information toward the CNS, and motor nerves away from the CNS. Fine. Main example of mixed nerve is spinal nerves, example. So all the spinal nerves, which are 31 pairs, these all spinal nerves are mixed. So these have they have sensory and motor both contents. And so we will study the spinal nerves in another tutorial. In this tutorial we are only concerned with the cranial nerves. So let's start and see all the cranial nerves and their names. So these are 12 pairs in number, as we know. Okay, let's start with their name. So first is olfactory nerve. Second is optic nerve. Third is oculomotor, fourth is trochlear, fifth is trigeminal, sixth abducent, seventh facial, eighth auricular, or also known as vestibulocochlear. And ninth is glossopharyngeal, 10th is vagus, 11th is accessory, and 12th and final is hypoglossal. So these are the 12 pairs of cranial nerves, and yeah, these are quite hard to remember. So to make it easy, I have made a mnemonic, which is tri, oct, ta, fag, va. So tri-oct means 3 times O, and last T is for trochlear. Now TA, octa, T for trigeminal, A for abducent, and F for facial, fag, F for facial, A for auricular, and G for glossopharyngeal, Va, V for vagus, A for accessory, and H for hypoglossal. So this is my mnemonic to keep them. Remember, you can make your own mnemonic. So from now, from these, which nerve is motor, which cranial nerve is motor, which is sensory, and which is mixed, to know them, to know this, the functional type, I have made one more mnemonic, which is some say marry money, but my brother say wig, brain matters more. So this is a mnemonic, and the first alphabet of all these words is showing the type, the functional type of the nerve. S for sensory, M for motor, B for both means mixed. So first is sensory, second is also sensory, third is motor, fourth is also motor, fifth is mixed, which is trigeminal, sixth is again motor, seventh is mixed, which is facial nerve, eighth is sensory, and ninth is also mixed, which is glossopharyngeal nerve, and 10th also mixed, 11th is motor, and 12th is also motor. So this is the way to remember the type of the cranial nerves, and this was the basic, and now we will start one by one the cranial nerves. And to start the nerve, first I want to explain which will be the subheadings which we will cover in one cranial nerve, to explain one cranial nerve. So these headings are the type. First we will describe the type of the nerve, whether it is sensory, motor, or the mixed type of nerve. And then if the nerve has its own any special feature, then we will describe its special features. And so spatial feature. And third thing, we will explain its functional components. Fourth thing is nuclei. Fifth is course and relations of nerve. Okay. Sixth is branches and distribution. And seventh is clinical. So these are the topics which we will cover in one, to explain the one cranial nerve. The type, spatial feature if any, and third is functional component, fourth is nuclei, and the course or relations, branches and distributions, and final is clinical. So to continue this topic, guys, go to the second part. And if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my video, my channel. And this is Inside the Human. So let's go to the second part.